Miss Miranda with At Home Learning. Today in science we're going to read a book by Ashley Braswell and it's called All About Flowers. So we've talked about the parts of a flower. We've talked about the life cycle of getting a plant. We've talked about how insects come and take what they need and pollinate other flowers. We've planted a plant. We've read about the lorax and the importance of growing trees and keeping them growing and treating them with kindness. We've measured how tall plants are. Let's look in this book. It's called All About Flowers, and you have this book inside of your science packet. So go ahead and get that out. What do plants need to grow? We talked about this. They need soil, they need sunlight, they need water. Soil, sunlight, water. Flowers have 4 parts. They are the petals, the leaves, the stems, and the roots. Each part of the flower has a special job to do. Flowers are a type of plant. There are many different types of flowers. Take a look at these. They are all different colors, all the colors of the rainbow. They are different shapes and they are different sizes. So all flowers are different. The job of the petals is to use its color and smell to attract insects. The insects spread the pollen to make new flowers. I bet if you go outside and look near your flowers, you'll see some bees doing that. The job of the stem is to help the flower stand up tall. You remember how we talked about we have our skeleton that keeps us standing up tall? If we didn't have our bones inside of us, what would we be? That's right, a blob. We would just be a blob. So what would a plant be if it didn't have its stem? It couldn't stand up tall. The stem also helps carry the water and the food to the rest of the plant. And here are some illustrations of other stems. The jobs of the leaves is to take the light from the sun and turn it into energy for the plant. They also breathe in the carbon dioxide and breathe out the oxygen. So we breathe in oxygen and out carbon dioxide, and plants breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out the oxygen. So without the plants, boys and girls, we would not have oxygen to breathe. The job of the roots is to get food and water out of the soil. The roots also help keep the flower in place. Did you go and explore in your yard to see if you could find any other types of roots? I bet you can. So let's think about all of those parts of the flower again. We talked about the leaf, the petal, the stem, and the root. Every plant has a stem and leaves and roots. Flowers are special, boys and girls, because they help pollinate. So insects like the bee are attracted to the flower and they fly around pollinating all the other plants. And remember, take care of our plants. Keep plants growing so we can breathe and we have them for the future. See you next time.